Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at Perrys Mansfield. Today's featured car is this Mercedes-Benz A-Class A200D AMG-line Executive. 5-door hatchback, 2.2 litre diesel engine with full service history and 135 brake horsepower. It's got 360-degree parking sensors, tinted glass throughout. Show you some of the features and benefits, just show you down this side. As you can see, absolutely stunning gloss back paintwork. Inside, let's take a look now. You've got automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, beautiful display, excellent finish with hand stitched leather, steering wheel, Isofix child seat, anchor points in the back to aid in keeping babies, children and toddlers safe. You can just about see the ventilation there for the rear passengers and air conditioning. Beautiful Alcantara and leather finish to the inside. Air conditioning and dual zone climate control, 6-speed gearbox for fabulous fuel economy, 65.7 miles per gallon on a combined fuel cycle on this car. You've got heated seats, radio navigation controls, park assist, and your screen there, which is very clear for your navigation, maps, radio and media. So travel along to see us, folks. It will be very much worth your while. The car at this price, we've scrutinised the market on a daily basis to make sure of super competitiveness, so it saves you the hassle and embarrassment of haggling. But also the car's been prepared by main dealer technicians. It's got the full service history and of course Perry's award-winning customer service. So thanks very much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.